So this is it, guys. This will go like this, obviously, and the air holes will go from there. I can't mark them until I decide where the flywheel is going to be, but I don't think I want to make it too long because I don't want it to be flimsy and fall over. So I'm going to be cutting this off somewhere, but before I cut it off, I'm going to put the flywheel there. Now I've got some bearings, so I'm going to try the bearings here first, make sure they fit all right. I'm going to put it in the right position there. And that's that. Okay guys, so my idea is to drill a hole through there and put a bearing in somehow. I'm not sure if it will work, but I certainly hope so. It could work because this is not it's not as wide as this thing. This is the finished product. I found this aluminium. I thought, how am I going to make this work? The aluminium fits nicely into this hole there, and so I will put that in there and drill a hole so it fits onto the shaft that I have. So guys, what I've done up till now, I've done a lot of things off camera, is I made this kind of a spacer between the bearings, and I thought about it. I thought I could have just used some washers or something that size, but never mind, I've done it now. So the way it's going to go is there's going to be a bearing, going to be a spacer, oops, and then there's going to be a bearing, and that's going to go inside there like this. So look, yeah, so that's what it's going to be like there. What I'm going to do now, guys, is glue it together and just leave it like that. So I'm not going to super glue this yet. I am going to super glue the bearings in place like this so they stay there. I wanted to use bearings because it's easier to spin.